Hey guys, welcome to Cosmic Skills. So, this is our next video, and the topic is fonts. Okay, so by saying fonts, what does come in your mind is basic font type like italics and then the normal Arabic text and the Arial text. But in this content, we are going to talk more about the links we want to take from the internet rather than the coding part. So in this section, we are going to talk about more the theoretical knowledge rather than the coding part. Okay, so let's start. Importance and outcome of this lecture. So let's see what we are going to learn in this lecture. We are going to learn about importing links. So I will teach you how to import links from external links like Bootstrap and then funds. So don't worry about it. I will just let you know. We are going to learn about using external funds. So what do I mean by external fund is, suppose the basic font you are using in your web page, you are not liking it and you want some other kind of web page with different weight and then different styles. So what we are going to do, we are going to include funds from the web, and we are going to just use the external funds. So we are going to learn this in this video. So just let's hop to a browser first. Okay, so guys, this is our browser. So first of all, we will go to our brackets. Okay, so I hope you remember we left bracket here, and I really hope that you are coping up with me, making this course really successful, because what I want is that everyone using this course or everyone who has bought this course should get each and everything what I'm teaching you here. Just live preview it. Okay, and as you know, a browser will get open. Just wait for it. Okay, so our browser is open now. What we can observe is this font style. We never specified what type of font do we need or what weight do we need. It is the default font size and font style of your browser and as well as your HTML document. So what if I don't want the default font or the fonts which are available on my IDE and my browser? What we have to do is just import font styles from external links. So we're gonna do it. Just open a new tab, go to, just type here and just search Google space fonts. Okay, there are many fonts website available. What I basically use is Google fonts. They are really easy to use. Okay, so just let it load. Okay, I hope guys you are able to see this web page has been loaded. There are a lot of fonts available here, lots and lots of font available. It totally depends on you what kind of font do you like and what kind of font do you want to include in your browser. Okay, so I will just go with the basic font. This Lato. This font is really very popular. It is used across many websites. So, for example, just I will go to this font. Okay, something this sort of format will be open in front of you. So now question arises, how to select this fonts? What we will do is, suppose if I want this Lato, what I will do, as you can see, there are different weights available. It is thin 100, then thin 100 italics. It is in italic, but the same weight. Then 300, then 300 italics. It totally depends on you what kind of fonts do you like. But for me, I will just select this. Okay. As soon as I select this new window has popped up in right side of our window, and then what I will select is regular 400 italic, and it's regular 300 italic, and okay. So as you can see on this right side, I have chosen just I will just zoom it for you. Okay, so I hope you can see it's thin italic 100, then light 300. So I have chosen this much of font and the font style with different styles like italics and normal, and they have different weights. So what I will do is just, okay, first I will just minimize it. I will just embed, just click on embed. Okay, so here you do have an option of download family. So what this will do is download the font, everything document you need to just include that font in your web page or in your IDE. But this will make your project a bit bulky because in future courses you're going to use a lot of fonts. So what I prefer is do embed. Okay, just click on embed and you're going to see this type of links. And if you pay attention, here you can see it's written as Lato, ITIL, weight 0300, 0400. So these are all the fonts we have selected. Just what we have to do is just copy this thing and now just go to our IDE and we have to paste it. So I hope you remember in starting lecture where I talked about the structure of HTML. If you don't remember, please go back and see that lecture. What I talked about is there is a link tag, and what I said is I'm going to traverse through each and every tag in future lecture. So that link tag is placed under the head tag. So I will place this under the head tag. The whole tag what I have copied from the Google Fonts. Just paste it. And as you are learning this course, I think you have a good internet connection. But if you don't have a good internet connection or you can't keep it on always, just do what is just go to the Google Chrome, okay, and just download it. So just download it because if you don't have an internet connection, this font style it won't work. Okay, so to make this thing work, you should have an internet connection in your device. This is how you include and fonts an external font and external link to your ID or your web document. So how we can make use of it is, I hope you remember while teaching you about the font size, I talked about font family. So it's gonna be same. So now I have to edit this H2. I will go under this H2 space and as usual our style attribute. I hope you're used to it till now. Under the style attribute, what I will type is font hyphen and then the second option it's family. So to select any font size, we have to select this attribute. It's called font.family. The options are given, which I was talking. The font size available in your ID are this: cursive, fantasy, inherit, monospace, and serif. The several options are provided. And what if you don't want any kind of option? That then you have to go to your browser and just copy an external link of new font family. And now we will talk about how to import this. So I hope you remember the name of our font was Lato, Lato. So we have to do the same. It won't suggest us here, but there is available Lato. Okay. Then under Lato, then space. We have selected different weights there. So if you remember, we have selected thin 100 italic, then light 300, then light 300 italic. What we have to do is just suppose if I want 300, weight 300, I'll go and type 300. Okay, that's it. Just save it and I'll just go to this. Okay. I know that you are not going to see any difference till now because the default size and the Lato, which is used across various websites, is the same. It was just an example how you can link an external font in your web page and how you can use it. So I hope you got it. Just go around and download different font family and use it in your browser. You'll be amazed how powerful this is and how this is used. Okay, so now let's jump to our try it yourself section. Okay, guys, so this is our try it yourself section. In this section, I will provide you some experimenting stuff, and you just have to do it. Take it as a challenge, and please make sure you do it because this will help you to understand how the things work. So, first is try to download and try different font styles. There are many styles available on the web, especially on the Google fonts. Just download it. I think I taught you and you got well how to do that. Just download it and go and play around with different styles. That's it. This is the only thing. I know this was a short video, but this is important for our future lectures. So we learned how to link to external docs, and we learn to use font style and size. If you didn't got it till now, just please go back and see the videos. I have provided each and every step. My motto is to just educate you, and I hope you become a good web developer. Thank you. That's it for the video, and see you till the next lecture.